deeply worried about the security implications. India has already drawn a connection between the ethnic violence in Manipur and what's happening next door in Myanmar. The entry of Zomi refugees from Myanmar has been linked with the ethnic clashes between the majority Metis and the Kuki minorities in Manipur.
Lawyer pa khat Kuki scholar theological le lawyer pa amile gen pung office kachi lam kai pu Hiche tebin if future hi hoya uham heo tam se ngai pu Kuki dai lo ho chu Kuki a hum thiding Kuki refugee ung hi diu Zhou Tigle Su ai pan diu. A generation is a su a hong de.